Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a like, comment, message, or update from Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable Instagram notifications directly from your phone settings. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, these instructions will help you stay connected and up to date with everything happening on your Instagram account. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head to your main screen. Look for the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear icon. Tap to open it. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps. On some phones, it might say Applications or Apps and Notifications. Tap on this option. You'll now see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through your list of apps until you find Instagram. It should be listed alphabetically, so it shouldn't take long. Once you spot Instagram, tap on it to open the app's settings page. Now, look for the option that says Notifications. This is where you control how and when Instagram can send you alerts. Tap on Notifications to open up the notification settings for Instagram. You'll see a toggle or switch labeled Allow Notifications. If this switch is off, you won't receive any alerts from Instagram. To turn notifications on, simply tap the toggle so that it turns blue or green. This means notifications are now allowed. That's it! You've just enabled Instagram notifications from your phone settings. From now on, you'll get alerts for new likes, comments, direct messages, and more, right on your device, so you'll always be in the loop. If you want to customize which notifications you receive, you can explore additional options on this page, like choosing whether alerts show up on your lock screen or as banners. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're set to stay on top of your Instagram activity no matter where you are. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your social media experience.